Yo, right, in the morning the plumber is coming at 8 o'clock. There's going to be a vanity here and it's up off the floor. So I've taken that square of floor out. He's going to run his pipe up the wall that comes out of the basin. It's going to be a double basin, so I've got him doing the pipe from that basin in the wall, and it comes into one outlet instead of taking out too much of the floor. When he caps off those taps, I can then pull that out at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. The cistern is going to be well, a newer one, and the tap is actually in the cistern itself. It's a hidden tap, so that's cool. I'm just going to take that off. I need to trim things up a little bit round here, like the screws. Oh, I don't need to be that high. I'll take that system off first. I'll take that off, unscrew that, and then I'll just run down there and pull that off. I'll run the grinder around there, and that's done. And then I'll be able to go home. And tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock when the plumber's here, well, I'll duck away and pick up some material so I can sheet the walls and start preparing for waterproof. Alright, give us a thumbs up, push the subscribe button. We'll see you soon on the next one. Yo!